Hi everyone, and welcome to this video tutorial. In this opportunity, we're going to learn how to create a Django project. So the first thing we need to do is to create the main folder of the entire project. In this case, this folder is going to contain two important things. One important thing is the virtual environment, okay, and the other important thing is the project, the Django itself. So let's go with the virtual environment. We are already inside the folder of the Django test and going to open a terminal. Right here, what we're going to do is to check if we have any virtual environment installed. In this case, for example, we can check if you have the virtual environment called virtualenv. In this case, we can see we already have installed. But if we didn't, we can use this line to install this virtual environment. Okay, so we have already installed the virtual environment, and we are going to create this virtual environment to use with the Django projects. So we already have created. Let's check what we have. We can see we have the folder myvirtualenv. Okay, so we have installed the virtual environment, and now we have to activate the virtual environment. The command is like this. And we can see we already have activated the virtual environment. Starting from here, we're going to create the Django project itself. But it's important to follow this step in this way because we need to have the virtual environment activated. Okay, so right now we're going to install the Django project. As we can see, it has already downloaded and installed the Django project. And now we have to create the project we're going to use. So the command line goes like this. And we have created the main project to work with Django. So we can see we have the two folders that I already told you are very important, the virtual environment and the folder of the project Django itself. We're going to get into the Django project and let's see what do we have. Here the important file is manage.py, which is going to help us to follow the two next steps, which are really important to finally create the Django project. With this line, we have created the application inside the project. This is the way the Django is organized. Okay, so we have the Django project and we have the applications that uses this project. And finally, we want to start the server to see if we have installed in the right way the Python project. I have a few warnings here, which are right now are not important because of the finality is just to check we have installed Django, and we're going to open the browser and check what happened. And as we can see, it's been installed in the right way. So thank you for your time, and the description and the link. Bye bye.